Hi, my name is Sara and welcome to Jiva Yoga Live. Today's video is about yoga for muscle gain. Thank you for joining us here at Jiva Yoga Live. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Namaste. Today's video is about yoga for muscle gain. So we'll go through a modified version of Surya Namaskara in Ashtanga yoga. So I'll walk you through the breathing technique first. And this is not really for beginners. So if you're looking for something beginner level, I really recommend coming back to this video a little bit later on. So we'll start with Ujjayi breath. It's also known as the ocean breath. So you basically lift your pelvic floor up and engage your abs and do as if you would want to fog the glass. So inhale and exhale. But instead of exhaling through your mouth, you close your mouth and exhale through your nose. This helps us keep the heat within us throughout the whole practice and let us go deeper into the asanas. Throughout the whole practice, we will also do one breath and one movement. So I'll guide you through. It's a little bit more fast-paced, but you'll enjoy it. So starting with the breath. Coming into the front of your mat, into a mountain pose. Inhale, lift your hands up. And exhale, fold forward. Inhale, straighten your back. And exhale, jump or step into chaturanga. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And now we'll stay in here for 5 breaths. So first, open your fingers. Second, take your shoulders away from your ears. Third, lift your hips up to the sky. 4 and 5. With the next inhale, lift your right leg up. And exhale, place it in between your arms, coming into warrior 1. Inhale, lift your arms up. Square your hips. Make sure your front knee is above your front ankle. One more breath. And then inhale, exhale, press back to chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up. And exhale, place it in between your hands. Inhale, come up. Again, make sure that your hips are not opening to the side, but they're staying straight to the front. Remember to breathe. And exhale, bend forward. Coming back into chaturanga. Upward facing dog. And downward facing dog. Now from here, walking your feet or jumping in between your hands. We're coming into a chair pose. With an inhale, bend your knees and lift your arms up. Make sure that your feet are together. Tuck your tailbone. Engage your abs. Look up. With an exhale, release, coming into a goddess pose. Step your feet wide apart, feet into 45 degrees ankle. And with an exhale, sink into a squat, tucking your pelvis forward, placing your hands into 90 degrees angles, opening your hands, your fingers spread wide apart, and sink deeper in. You want to get your thighs parallel to the floor, and your knees should be above your ankles. Smile, you're working on a better body. We're going for 3 more. You can do it. Inhale, release. And we're moving into a headstand. I'll first show you a variation. So if headstand is not yet in your practice, measure your distance from the wall so that your hip distance apart. So where your feet end, that's where your hands go. You either can do this with hands or with forearms. And walk your feet on the wall and come into a 90-degree angle. This is strengthening your shoulders and your abs. You can hold this for 5 to 10 breaths and come back down. If headstand is in your practice, we'll move into a headstand. So, measuring the distance by placing your elbows parallel, interlacing your fingers, keep your thumbs up, and make your pinky finger on the floor. It brings you more balance. Place the crown of your head into your hands, tuck your toes, lift yourself up, and walk your feet as close to you as you can. Bring one leg to the chest and start bringing the other leg slowly. Find your balance. Bring your hips above your head, and if this feels good, you can straighten up one by one, engaging your core. Remember to breathe. This is the king of the asanas. If this feels easy, you can do a little exercise where you tilt your hips a little bit back. And you bend from the hips until you can see your toes. And bring your legs back up. Slowly start bringing your feet to the ground, bending one knee at a time, and calming down. Sinking into a child's pose. Let your breath calm down. And we're going to do it one more time. So whether it's on the wall or as a normal headstand, again measure, interlace fingers, lift thumbs up, keep pinky on the ground, place the crown of your head to the floor, tuck your toes, straighten your legs, walk them closer, bend one knee to chest, tilt hips, lift other one, and come up. You can play with headstand with bringing the soles of your feet together, opening up, bringing your legs into a lotus. There's many different variations how to have fun with it. And exhale, one leg at a time, slowly to the ground. Now this time, let yourself relax in child's pose a little bit longer. With an inhale, press yourself up. If you feel like having a little bit more challenge, repeat this sequence 2 to 3 times or continue into more challenging ones. I bet you this heated up your body a little bit and you're ready to rock. Thank you for practicing with me today. Namaste.
If you enjoyed today's video, make sure hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and of course click that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Hope to see you next time. Namaste.